Okay, this tag cloud is provided by. I've got two different modules. I've got the Tagadelic module um, and Tagadelic views. So um, if you go to the blocks admin page, you see that I've got a view called tag underscore cloud assigned to the navbar region. This is the navbar region right here. If you go and look at that exact, here's the view. Now remember, this is Drupal 5, so it's an older version of views, but this is the tag cloud view, and you see it's providing a page and a block. And the view type, instead of full nodes or teaser, is set to Tagadelic. And I've got it set to show these fields as links. These are taxonomy term field, so they're displaying as links, and it's basically displaying them all together. I seem to recall it was kind of a weird. There were some weird ways. It was unintuitive exactly how to set up the tag cloud view, but this is what the page view of it looks like. So um, if you go into the site configuration, Tagadelic configuration, these are kind of the settings for it. Now, going back here, if we inspect the code, you can see that I also made it so that it would show, this is how it cues the size with this class, but I also wanted the exact actual TID included as well in the CSS. And so in order to get it to do that, I had to do in my template, I had to in my template.php file, I had to do an override here. So this is like an override of the Tagadelic function, and you can see that basically I had it so that it, I just had it basically by default it doesn't include the actual TID. It just includes the weight, the tag weight. And by having the TID in there, I was able to make it so that when you go to one of these pages, it actually flags, throws it up as being, that's how I'm getting it to be active. And when it's on an actual page, I don't know if you noticed this, but the applicable terms are also lit up, so this lights up as gray. I also have the taxonomy redirect module enabled, and I have that set to redirect each one of these vocabularies to my view pieces slash TID. So all of the views in the background get redirected to the proper place. I don't think I would need to do that in Drupal 6. I could probably just use panels, which I would probably be using anyway. The only other thing aside from this is the path auto module, which I've got all of these categories set up to rewrite the paths for each of the taxonomies as cat path raw. It's kind of complicated, and I think that's everything that is involved in actually getting it to set up the term. Again, I'll take one more look at the view here. It's just displaying the fields, and it's a view of the type Tagadelic. I don't know if you've got any more questions. I've probably got about 10 seconds left on this Jing video, so I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Good